So coronavirus, what is the situation today? Well, there are a few hundred cases in the UK and a very small number in Staffordshire, although we're expecting those numbers to increase over the next few weeks and months. At the moment, we will remain in what's called contain phase, where the idea is to stop the virus spreading by identifying cases promptly, making sure they're treated properly and tracking down contacts and managing those. We expect that in the forthcoming weeks that will shift to what's called delay phase, where the emphasis changes to stopping the virus spreading by preventing groups of people gathering together. So what is the County Council doing? First of all, we're trying to keep staff, the public and other organisations informed with the latest national advice. Secondly, we're dusting off our business continuity plans to make sure that we can keep essential services running for the duration of any epidemic. Thirdly, we're thinking particularly about how we care for vulnerable people during the next few weeks and months if the normal workforce who provides care is unavailable. And so what is the advice? Well, for now, the advice is for people to carry on as normally as they can. It's really important for people to follow good hygiene. That means washing your hands frequently for at least 20 seconds. And if you do have a cough or a cold, catching it in a tissue and binning it. The other thing people can do is to start to think about how they might be affected if we move into the delay phase over the next few weeks and months. So if you manage a service or a business, do you have plans in place to cope with staff being off sick? If you have large events planned, what alternatives do you have if you had to cancel them? Can you work from home? And if you're a business, how do you support people to work from home to stop them having to come into an office if that's what we have to do? So we'll try and keep people updated as things change. You can also find information and advice on the Department of Health website or Public Health England.